Coach PJ here. Do you ever wish you could turn back the clock? Do you ever wish that you could tell your 20-year-old self a few things? Well, I'm covering the top 11 things that I wish I knew when I was 20. Yesterday I said number 11 was learn. Number 10 today is network. Network. Relationships are everything. Maintain your connections, build your network. A network of folks, keep in touch with them, even when you don't need them, so that when you do, they're there for you. And I strongly encourage, don't be casual about contact information. Keep a database, keep a list, go back to your Excel and track that information. If someone gives you an email, someone gives you a phone number, put it all in the same place. In today's world, we have social media, we have email, we have lots of places we can put it, but I'm encouraging you to put it in one place. I can't tell you the number of people, number of business owners that I talk to, that I say, how many contacts do you have? And they tell me, well, I have about 200. And I'm thinking, you're 50 years old. You got more than 200. I know you do. But we've been very casual about it. So if I were to tell my 20-year-old self something, I'd say, don't be casual about it. Collect, be diligent, treat them with the respect of the person that you met in the first place. Collect them, put them in the same place, always be diligent about it, don't be casual, and then use that network, cultivate that network, talk to that network. You don't want to be the person who only calls when you need something. Tell your network what's going on in your world. Keep them updated. And as long as you update them once a year, I promise you, you will have the price of admission to reach out to that person for an entire year after there. So what I tell you, and if you go back a little bit, people used to do holiday cards, just always holiday cards, and maybe a holiday letter, same kind of concept. If I reach out to you at least once a year, then I have access to you. You're in my world. I can reach out to you if I need something. A story that I tell is that my niece was traveling abroad, and her boyfriend got in a terrible moped accident and ended up needing to be airlifted. And what happened, though, is she called and said, I need help. I'm scared. I'm in a foreign country. I don't know what to do. And when she reached out, I made 2 phone calls to that network of mine, and I was able to reach the head of the neuroscience, the neurology department at the biggest hospital in the country. So networks matter. Networks matter an awful lot. So treat yours like it is so important, like it's money, like it's cash. It's money in the bank. That network can pay off dividends as you travel throughout your career, as you travel in business, as you even travel the world if you need support or help, or you find yourself in an unusual situation that you need someone who you can count on. By cultivating that, speak to them at least once a year. Social media is okay, email's okay, but make sure you're speaking to them and letting them know what's going on, even when you don't know. And make sure you see if you can help them. If there's any way you can help them, that would be great. So number 10, network, relationships, it's everything. There's a saying that says every dud knows a stud, so you never know who you're going to run into. Treat your network, treat the people you meet just as if they're just as important as the next person, because you don't know who knows who. If you like this video and you want to learn the other 9 topics that I wish I knew when I was 20, then click the link below, click subscribe, and you can see the rest of the videos. Until then.